Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Easy Fix Tech Tips. So guys, in this video I will tell you that how you can check the RAM size of your computer or your laptop. So guys, it's very simple, very easy to check out the RAM size. You just have to open your file explorer, then you have to right click on this PC and then click on show more option. Then you need to click on properties. By doing that, you can see the device specification, the device name, the processor size, and here you can find out the size of your RAM. So in my case, it's a 15 GB RAM and the usable RAM is 15.8 GB is usable. So guys, that's how you can check the size of your RAM in your PC. It's very simple, very easy. And if you like our video, don't forget to subscribe our channel Easy Fix Tech Tips. I will see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye.